Hello, my lovely people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want you guys to start guessing. Are we having twins or one? Are we having twins or one? With this, my huge stomach, are we having twins or one? Comment in the description box and I want you to start guessing. And doing this video, guys. I can't even explain. I can't explain. Doing this video, if I don't go into labor today as I am filming this video, tomorrow I will be getting induced for you to know. For you to know how due I am. But just quickly, let's start with this video. Just let me show you guys this tutorial video. My natural hair, I wanted to go into labor with this my natural hair tied like this. I was just like, Freedom, this will not be nice. This will not be nice. My hair will just like fold together. It will not be nice. It's better for me to just do something very simple. And then also I wanted to do braids because when I was pregnant of Ezzy, when I was about to go into labor, when I was in labor, I did braids, which my husband helped me out. But this one, I don't want to do long braids. I just want something very simple. And I am to do cornrows. I will just do simple cornrows. I was having old cornrows and my husband helped me in taking down the cornrows. The leave-in cream I will be using is Freedom Styles leave-in cream. If you don't know, Freedom Styles has its own leave-in cream, which is so nice. Oh my God, clients that have ordered the leave-in cream, they are coming back to order. It's very, very nice. It protects your hair and makes your hair to grow as well. And I also have Freedom Styles Magic Hair Growth Oil, which I will also be using to detangle my natural hair. Ever since I've been pregnant, when I was pregnant, oh my gosh, no care. I did care about, like, take care of my natural hair. If it was not this leave-in cream and Freedom Style Magic Hair Growth Oil, I don't think I will even be having hair on my head. Like, you need to try Freedom Styles Magic Hair Growth Oil and the Freedom Styles leave-in cream. A lot of clients, if you also want to read the review of clients, you can go to my Instagram and you will see some reviews of some clients that have tried Freedom Styles Magic Hair Growth Oil and Freedom Styles leave-in cream. Details will be in the description box. I will put the link to order in the description box. And I also want you to know, if you order items on our website and it's up to $300 and it's free shipping to USA and free shipping to within EU. But if you live in Africa or Australia, you will pay half shipping. Yes, I will just use the leave-in cream and the oil, apply it on my natural hair. You can see, after applying it on my natural hair, before I will start to detangle, you see the way I'm detangling it now, and it was so soft. I first of all spray in water. Water is very, very nice. If you want to detangle your natural hair, spray in water. Water first, apply the leave-in cream and a little bit of the hair growth oil. And I will just start to detangle from the ends. Always detangle your ends first. And then you will be walking gradually to the root. Don't start to comb your hair from the root. No, you are going to lose a lot of hair. Start from the ends and then you will walk to the roots. If I am done detangling it, then I will just cornrow it. I am not after for the cornrows to be neat. As like I said earlier on, guys, as I'm doing these cornrows, I can just go into labor. Like, after this video, filming this video, the following day, I will be getting induced. Like, guys, uploading this video, I just also want you to know that my baby already arrived. Yes, this video will be live if my baby is here. Yes. I will just start to do the normal cornrows, and I am not after for the scalp to be neat. Also, I'm just after to protect my natural hair, because I know after, if I give birth and I will not be able to be working on my natural hair for some days or so, I just want something that I will be able to just leave and put on a wig, because I put on a wig a lot. Ahem. And also, what I also want you to know, make sure your before you put your hair, like you braid your hair or you cornrow your hair, make sure you can wash your hair. My hair is neat. You can see my hair is neat. I could wash my hair and before doing this brace. Yes, so guys, to be pregnant is not easy, guys. To be pregnant is not easy. It's very, especially when you have big stomach like me. If you are a person that has like a huge stomach whenever you are pregnant, like I feel you. I feel that a lot of people, when they are pregnant, you will not even notice if they are pregnant till they are like about to deliver. Like, we are not like that in my family. If we are pregnant, we always have huge stomach. You can see how my stomach looks like big watermelon. And it's kind of, this time now, like the end time, like the last part when you have waited and waited and waited for the baby to arrive, itself is not arriving, and you will like, all mommies, you can feel me, you will be frustrated, like you will be like, why this baby is not coming out? Ezzy, my first son was the same. Yes, I was for over 42 weeks when Ezzy came, and it was even my water that broke when Ezzy came. And I was in labor, but nothing will happen. Anyways, it's a long story. You can see how the cornrows looks. Yes, I was just still trying to maneuver it. I was just like, labor, come now, because if you don't come now, you are inducing na tomorrow. Yes, so by this time it's very hard to sleep. I don't sleep. It's very, very hard. It's very, very hard. And I also want you to follow me on Freedom's Life YouTube channel, because I will try to also film labor and delivery video. Maybe, I hope so. I will be able to. I will also try to film it. Yes, labor and delivery video. I will put it on Freedom's Life YouTube channel. Follow me on that channel so that you will not miss. And I also have a lot of vlog videos whereby I uploaded on Freedom's Life YouTube channel. When I was in Nigeria, I was pregnant. I traveled to Nigeria, I was in Nigeria. I came back 4 months ago. I was pregnant. I was so tired staying in Sweden. Then I just decided to just go and eat pepper food. Just eat the real Naija food and meet my family and all, because if I'm a person, if I am pregnant, beginning of my pregnancy, I'm always very sick. Like, not sick, the sickness I'm talking about is like, I will be tired, and I'm a person that also spit. Throughout my pregnancy, I will spit tea. Even after delivery, if I'm even filming doing this voiceover now, you guys can notice that I still have spit in my mouth. Yes, so I'm a person like that. From the day I know that I'm pregnant, I will just be spitting till I deliver. Then I will not be able to eat. I will just be like nauseous. I needed to go home. Then I just traveled to Nigeria. Like, if when I was about to travel, people would be like, you don't. It's very risky for you. I would be like, risky. Likewise, Ezzy, when I was also pregnant of Ezzy, it was still the same. I also traveled to Nigeria. Anyways, let's continue with the tutorial. Yes, so I am done. If you guys want me to gist more, you want more gist about my pregnancy, just comment in the description box. Yes, this is what I was talking about. I will be putting on this wig. Yes, not if I am to deliver or when I'm in labor, no. Like, if I am coming back home, or if for some weeks before I will be, this is the wig I'm putting on. This, even during my pregnancy, if I have a hospital appointment, this is the wig I'm putting on. And this wig is from Freedom Styles as well. This wig is $39 on our website, and it's a human hair wig, everyday human hair wig. You can see how it looks very beautiful, and the wig can be styled in many different ways. Guys, You do not want to miss this. Yes, all the details will be in the description box. And if you order items on our website from $300, it's free shipping. Yes, to USA, within EU, to UK and all. Yes, I just want you guys to also guess, am I having a girl or a boy? Because a lot of people are telling me I will be. People will see me, meet me on the road, they will be pointing, even Swedish. They will be pointing, are you having twins? Guys, I am having one. I have one on my stomach. It's only one. It's only one. But I just want you guys to also guess the gender. Guess the gender we are having. And I'm not going to announce the gender based on my stomach, because a lot of people can predict with stomach. Yes, based on my stomach, am I having one? No, based on my stomach, am I having a girl or a boy? Just put it in the description box, and also try to follow me on my 3 YouTube channels. This very one, Freedom Styles, Freedom Beauty, and the Freedom's Life. And wish me safe delivering, because tomorrow I will be with my baby. As this video is live, my baby is already here. And thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys. And I also noticed a lot of people noticed, based on my tutorial videos I uploaded before, I know some women, some women can see with face and all. I know, I understand. Yes, I understand. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And don't forget that this wig link will be in the description box. Website link will be in the description box. We have a lot of affordable human hair wigs on our website. $30, $25, any amount of wig you want on our website, you will be able to get it. I will put the link in the description box. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I can't wait to meet my baby. And I can't imagine that Freedom Styles will be mother of 2 soon. And Ezekiel is already a big boy. Ezekiel is 2 years and 2 months. Yes, Ezekiel is a big boy, and he can't wait to meet his sibling. Yes. Don't forget to check out Freedom Styles website. So the link will be in the description box below. Love you guys. Bye. Bye.